Imagine being a tiny bird and being entrusted with a mission that would change an entire kingdom. This is the incredible story of the Hudhud, the Hoopoe bird, in the Qur'an. The Hudhud was part of the army of Prophet Sulayman alayhi salatu wasalam, a prophet and king whom Allah blessed with the ability to understand the language of birds and animals. One day, Sulayman alayhi salatu wasalam was inspecting his army when he noticed something unusual. The Hudhud was missing. As the army stood before him, Sulayman alayhi salatu wasalam asked, "Why do I not see the Hoopoe? Or is he among the absent?" Not long after, the bird returned, but it wasn't returning empty-handed. The Hudhud had traveled far and discovered something that even Sulayman did not yet know. It had found the Kingdom of Saba, ruled by a powerful queen named Bilqis. The bird described her kingdom as prosperous and her throne as magnificent. But there was one problem. Bilqis and her people worshipped the sun instead of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Hudhud couldn't stay silent. It reported everything it had seen to Sulayman alayhi salatu wasalam and told him about a nation that had lost its way. Rather than immediately believing the report, Sulayman decided to verify the news. Then he handed the Hudhud a letter and gave it an extraordinary mission. Fly to Queen Bilqis. Deliver this message. The little bird carried the letter across the land and dropped it before the queen herself. When Bilqis read the message from Sulayman, a chain of events began that would change history. After witnessing the signs Allah gave to Sulayman and recognizing the truth, Queen Bilqis declared her submission to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. And it all started with a bird that paid attention, a bird that spoke the truth, a bird that became the means through which an entire kingdom was guided. The lesson: never underestimate what Allah can accomplish through even the smallest of His creations. Please subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next video.